This is the Plextone xMowi T2 Bluetooth wireless earphones. With volume control, power on-off, and a low latency game mode, this is certainly a pair of earphones to consider. This is the xMowi True Wireless Gaming Headset. We're going to unbox this and get it set up with an Android phone. So this is the packaging that came with it. So this is what the package contains. It has got the Plextone T2 wireless headset, a USB Type-C charging cable, and a warranty card. So this is a case where it houses the T2 headset. So this is the headset, and you need to remove the sticker at the base in order to start charging it. So we'll do that. We'll put it back into the case for charging. That's the left and this is the right. And as you can see, when it's charging, there's a LED at the top of the headset, and it is currently in red, indicating that it's charging. And on the charging case itself, the LED is green. So this is the USB-C charging port. Very cool design for the charging case. So this is how the earphones look like. This is the multifunction button, and you can see there's a LED over here. Do note, one feature of these earphones is that you can power it off by pressing on the MFB button or the multi-function button for about 5 seconds. Let's do that. You can see the LED will blink over here, and then if it's in your ear, you can hear the words powering off. When it's powered off, both earphones will be off. So to power on, you need to power on individually. To power on, press on the MFB button for 2 seconds. And you can hear that it is saying powering on. Likewise, you can turn it on for the right earphone. Alternatively, if it's powered off, you can just put it back into the charging case and take it out again, and it will automatically power on. Next, we'll connect this pair of headsets to our Android phone. Once you remove it from the case, you can see that it is blinking blue and red. So from our Android phone, go to our Bluetooth. You can see that it has detected the BT, which is the headset itself. Select that. At the pairing request, select pair. If you were to check on the Bluetooth, it is connected. Next, we will show you some music playback controls on this earphone itself. So let's start our music player. To start the music playback, press once on either the left or the right earphone. To stop it, press once. And if you were to press twice on the right earphone, it will actually go to the previous song. And on the left earphone, if you were to press twice, it goes to the next song. One thing I like about this pair of earphones is that it has got volume control. And if you were to press 3 times on the left earphone, you can see that the volume decreases. Likewise, if you press 3 times on the right earphone, the volume will increase. So this is a pair of very affordable earphones, and it has got good features. I really like the volume control directly on the earphones itself. So next, let's check out this pair of earphones on answering and hanging up calls. To answer calls, simply press once on either the right or the left earphone. To hang up, press once on either earphones. So check out the Plextone xMowi T2 Bluetooth earphones. This is an affordable pair of earphones, and do check out the link that we will put at the end of this video where you can purchase.